Hi guys, my name is Albert Tan from Download Silo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day everybody. Welcome to this session of Grab Your Review platform where we're going to introduce you all in one reputation management platform. And I have invited Mr. Snehal Patel from India to give us a comprehensive review on this Grab Your Review app. So maybe we should actually do some housekeeping first before we actually start the interview or the demo. So guys, as usual, I need your help to do one thing. Actually, please look at the screen now. Click the link Melon app/Facebook to give permission, Melon permission to show your name as well as a profile photo in the chat, so that we know who are actually commenting in the backend. Or else, sometimes it's very difficult for us to know who is actually commenting. So, guys, please do that, and hopefully that you have done that. Just type your name in the chat so that we know who you are. Okay, I can see that there are some names already. Bilal, HM Suja. I do not know who is this guy. Okay, Jogendra Singh, and yeah, Latif Mia. If I'm not wrong. Okay, good. So I think everybody is actually know what to do, but just to make sure that everybody knows what to do, please click the link over here, melonapp.com/Facebook. Okay, so I hope we can start now. And before we actually start, let me ask Nehal some warming up question first. Nehal, which city are you from in India?
So, Albert, we are Vadodara based, and even I'm Vadodara, Gujarat. So, we are here from past 10 years now.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I believe that you are actually a developer yourself.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, good.
Developer, and I run another company for software development stuff, and that's where this all came up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how many people are you? I mean, working with in your team, or your company for this Grab Your Review app?
Yeah, so we are a team of 15 members working on Grab Your Reviews from past 2 years now.
Mm-hmm.
We launched this product in June 2020 in COVID period, and we went into beta version in June 2020. And from there on, after January 21, we launched our paid version of it. So that's how we started our journey.
Okay, so this is something that you have done for the last 2 years. That's good. So can you tell us why you want to do this app?
Okay, so we see a lot of reviews everywhere, and what I found here in India is we were lacking a way of asking for reviews from people, because every business want to be there on Google search engine ranking. They want to be on top of the Google ranking. They want people to come to their websites or their business listing and stuff. But there were no way of making it easier for their customers to leave a review. So the customer experience was lacking, and that's where I thought that we need something here, and that's where I started working on this application.
Mm-hmm. That's good. So I think, I mean, the audience actually know about your background and your company, and we should start the demo. And after the demo, we will actually answer all the question, or doubts, in the chat. And before that, can you please share your screen on your share screen?
So, yep. Okay. I've said the screen.
Okay.
Let me know
Yes.
once you guys see it.
Yeah, we can see now. So guys, Sneha will actually go into detail about this app, and you can see how he actually, do this, in the backend. Okay, Sneha, please begin.
Yeah, thanks, Albert. So, just to introduce and give a bit of about background and use case for this, as everyone might be aware that everyone need a review on Google, Facebook, Trustpilot, or any other platforms in that mix. And it's very essential for all the businesses to take reviews from their client and understand how the customer understand about the customer feedback. It's very important for that. And our use case will be mainly for small businesses who are looking like for reviews on Google or Facebook or Trustpilot. And our platform is white labeled, so it can be white labeled and resold by web agencies, digital marketing companies, SEO companies, or in that sense anyone who want to sell reputation management as the services with their own branding and their own domain name and stuff. So it can be used for agencies as well as for small individual entrepreneurs or businesses as well. Okay, so let me take you through this dashboard of Grab Your Reviews on how this platform works, how it will help you guys to increase your reviews, and where we come in into play. So this is our dashboard. You can see two platforms are connected for this profile, Google and Facebook, and the reviews that we have on that particular platforms. We can see how many invitations has been sent out from the platform. So this is the number of invite being sent from platform. Open invitations, how many people are opening or responding to your emails. So it's very important to understand how people are responding to emails that we are sending to leave a review. Landing page visit is our platform provides a landing page to each and every customer or profile that is set up. So they have their own unique countings on how many people visit that page, and are they leaving a positive review or a negative review, or they are sharing a private feedback about that business. You can see an overall state here on about the business from the journey they start with us till the day, till today. Under review platforms, you can see we can connect with 60 plus review platforms right now, including Google, Facebook, Yelp, uh, Expedia, Agoda, Booking.com, Trustpilot. We have Play Store, RateMDs, product reviews, Capter as well. So software advice and stuff. So that will help SaaS platforms as well to take reviews. TripAdvisors and a lot other platforms. So it's very easy to start with. Uh, you can just click on the platform name, put in the URL of the platform of the place, and you will be able to connect the platform here. Similarly, once you have connected the platforms, you will see all the reviews on our platform. So we aggregate reviews from all this platform and make it easy for a business to leave a review, to see all the reviews at one place. So you can see all your reviews popping up in one place, and it will be easier for a person or a businessman to go in, see the reviews or feedback a day earlier and respond to them, and then that's it. Like his day work of the day is done for reviews. So it will make easier rather than juggling around all the accounts that they might be managing. You can see all the reviews here. You can respond to Google reviews from our platform itself by clicking on it. So you can respond to reviews without leaving the platform. So that will be a huge plus point. And we will be coming up with additional features which will make it more easier for businesses to leave review. You can filter the reviews by platform. We recently introduced this feature of disabling an individual review. So in case there is a review you don't want to display on your website using our widgets, then you can do that as well. So you can disable it from here, even if it's a 5-star review. You want to avoid that, and that happens with a lot of Facebook accounts, because a lot of people go and spam reviews with their own messages, and we don't want to display that. So we have the facility to do that as well. Or you can add a manual review whichever might have come your way, and you can put in the name details and stuff in this as well. So if someone is dropping you a review by an email, you can still add that and showcase that review to your customers. So going to private feedback, let me go to widgets, to the landing page first, so you guys have a better understanding of private feedback here. So we offer different kind of layouts for the landing page that I discussed while showing the dashboard. So say you choose the thumbs up and down layout for your business. So whenever someone comes up on this page, Can you see thumbs up and down
Yes,
screen?
I can see.
Okay, just a second. Let me reset it. Just a moment. I'll just end screen because I wanted to show another page here. Okay. So you guys can see thumbs up and down here, a landing page. So this is the landing page here. If you click on thumbs down,
How your share screen is no more. Please share again the screen.
oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, loaded now.
Yeah. Okay. So you can choose the layout here, and you can also choose how that page behaves. So if you want that thumbs up goes to review and negative one goes to thumbs down, so you can set that. Or you want everything to go to Google. Either case, just to understand, you are using this platform just to understand how the people are behaving. Are they happy or not happy about your services? So you can do that as well. Similarly, you can use any of this layout and set your own settings according to your requirements. You can also make any platform primary. So you are taking a lot of reviews on Google, but you are not taking on other platform because that's not your primary platform. So people get the first choice of Google. So you can switch that over according to your requirement. Now, all the content that we can see on that landing page can be modified from here. It's not allowing me to share another tab. Just a second. Okay, so you can modify all the content from here and save that changes as well. So going to private feedback, anything that is thumbs down or not happy will be said here. You can see the details of the customer. You may get in touch with that client or you may respond to that review and say whatever you want to put a message in about accordingly, according to their review. Under get reviews, you can invite people. So this is mainly about getting reviews from your client, how you can do that. So you can invite them by email or SMS. And you can set once you invite, you click on invite. So let me invite myself here. Okay, so I just invited myself to leave a review for the business. Under invited customer, we can see who are already active in the funnel. So I have received one email right now. How many of the customers are already completed the funnel? So we create a sequence of emails and messages that goes out to your client to leave a review. And are they completing the whole sequence or they are leaving a review in between, maybe in the first email or second email? If they'll do that in the first or second email, then it will automatically send the stop the further email sending from our platform. You can see all this completed one and landing page activity. So this shows what they are doing on the landing page. Bulk invite is something where you can just upload a CSV. We offer a format here. You can download the format, put in your data in it, and just upload the CSV. Once you do that, everything will go into in queue here. So that means we'll not send everyone an email invite immediately as soon as you add them up into the system. Only 25 accounts will be activated in a day, and you may change that setting according to your requirements, so that it don't Google don't see a lot of reviews coming up in a single day, and they try to interrogate your account and see what went wrong there. Email settings is mainly you from which email address the email is going up, what will be the username. You can put in your own username here, and then click on save. So just to save these settings. Mm. Template settings is all the email that goes out from the platform, you can always customize that. Our platform is fully customizable. So you can go in and change the settings according to your choice, uh, or whatever text you want to put in. You can also set the time of the day when the email goes out of the platform. So you want second invite to go after 4 days, and maybe 9 a.m. your time. So the email will go out in your time zone accordingly, and you may add up another email if your business requirements are so. You can create SMS template as well, and this is a private feedback template. That means any private feedback that you might have received and you are responding to a review. So this is how the email will go to the customer. Going to website widgets. So as I mentioned, we do help you to showcase the reviews on your website and build trust for the new customers or leads that are coming in. So you can use any of this layout that we offer, and you can customize the color and theme according to your website. If you click on this, it will take you to the landing page that we offer, and people can leave a review from there. Mm, You can also choose that you only want to show 4-star and more reviews on your website, and there is no bad about it, because everyone wants to show a good part of the business rather than a bad one. So we can always do that. And click on Get Code, implement this small piece of code on your website wherever you want to display these reviews, and it will start popping up all the new and old reviews on your website as well. And we offer 7 layouts right now. Our team is working on another two, so we'll add over 9 layouts here in some time. Social sharing, you can share your reviews on Google, on Facebook from our platform. So once you enable social sharing feature, it will automatically share all your new reviews coming up from Google to your Facebook page as a post. Will not do that as a review, because we cannot directly put a review in any of the platforms right now. Let me try and
Yeah, guys, please give permission to Melon so that we can see your name and also your profile photo when you comment. Yeah, Sneha, please continue. Or you're waiting for the.
yeah, I'm just waiting. Till then, I've just set another screen. If you can see, you can show that to the user. Yeah, this one. So I'm trying to show that from quite long. So this is a landing page that we offer, and all the text that you can see can be customized from going to customization options under review page. And if you click on thumbs up, that takes to Google or Facebook. We do track the activity of the user. Are they already logged into the browser or not? If they are logged in, we show that you are logged into the Google. Similarly, we track the user for Facebook as well. If they are logged in, it will show the options. So this make easier for user to leave a review, because if they are already logged in, then it will directly take them to the review page on Google. Correct. And a negative will be going to a private feedback form, which will come in the backend here. Let us paste that. Reset the screen again. But can you please help me with showing my another screen now?
Your screen is not shared.
Yeah, I'm just sharing another one.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Yeah, the screen is shared now.
Yeah, great. And we offer an email widget that is like signatures for to put up in your email signatures. And if someone clicks on thumbs up or down, they will go to that particular page and leave a review for you over there. So that can be also a handy part. Opt-in page is something that is available for the users who don't have access to the dashboard, but you still want them, your employees, to ask people to leave a review and add them into the system. So you can just copy this magic URL, give it to them, and they will be able to see this form where they can enter the details of the customer, and then they will be added to the email sequence that we offer. And QR codes for retail stores or where there are a lot of walk-ins, you can use the QR code in the store and people can leave a review from here as well. And similarly, you can create a QR code for each of the employees as well, just to track the activity of how the employee is performing and are they asking for reviews or not. So we offer three kind of notifications here, like is it daily, weekly, or monthly. So you can enable notifications for you to understand how your business is performing on day-to-day basis or on weekly basis. What are the number of reviews that you are getting over there? Under company settings, you'll be able to upload your logo and set up the basic details here. Integrations, we do have Zapier integrations, as well as we recently launched Pebly and integrations as well. So you can see that under our head documentation for both of that as well. Going to reports, we give the basic reporting for how that business is performing. Are the rating is going up or down? Are they inviting more businesses or not? So you can see the basic rating, you can see the overall statistics like how many people are being invited per day and are they leaving a review or not. Email conversions, like other people clicking or opening the email, they are coming to landing page, similar for SMS and QR code as well. Going to performance report. So performance report is mainly for agencies where you can see multiple locations. So if you are an agency, you might have 5 locations under your account and you don't want to go through each of the account to see how that is performing. So you go to performance report and you will be able to see all the locations here under here. How many ratings are there? Are the reviews going up or down? So this will give you a better idea of the particular client is requiring your support or not. So you may approach customer rather than they asking us that they are not getting review. You can just call them up and say you are not performing good. Like, is there anything that I can help you with? And that will help your customer retention as well. Under general setting, you can go and set up your own domain name and your own branding. So you may want to set up say app.use.com. Once you do that, it will give you the CNAME records to put in. Okay. Once I put in this CNAME record in my DNS, then and verify the domain, it will then show that this domain is verified, and I can then start using app.myreviews.com and use the platform with my own branding and stuff rather than grab your reviews. So you can do that quite easily. You can create users under external users section. So you may go and add up user, give user a permission for one location or maybe multiple locations according to how many locations they are managing with you. Give them API access and particular access on the platform and click on submit. So this will send them an email asking to set the password for your own branded domain name. And once they do that, they'll be able to log in over there and start managing their own profile. So they can do that as well. You may remove the access whenever you want. So it's quite easy. And similarly, you can have profiles here, and you may want to delete the profile and give the replacement to some other one depending on the terms with the client. So if they are not continuing with you, you can go and delete the profile, and then you can create another one. So you can utilize same SIP with multiple clients as well. So you'll be able to do that. So that is how basically the platform works. Under users section, you'll be able to see how many emails you have used in a month, how many SMS credits are used, and what are the profile seats that you are already using and number of users according to your plan. So I think Albert, that's it from my end for platform right now. You can always upgrade to our AppSumo. Let me show you the AppSumo deal page so everyone is aware about it and what we are offering. So we have three tiers in AppSumo: tier 1, 2, and 3. In tier 1, we offer 30 SMS every month, 30 SMS credit every month for US and Canadian invitations. 5 review platforms you can connect per location. So you may have three businesses with 15 locations together. You will be having 3,000 email invitations per month, and you can have up to 5 external users added to the platform to manage the reviews for themselves. For tier 2, we offer 10 review platforms per location, 10 businesses or clients you can onboard using this. You can white label our platform on tier 2. You will get 10 external users as well, 10,000 email invites a month, and you can sync your own email domain as well as your white label domain here. And for tier 3, that goes to 30 clients you can onboard. You can have up to 30,000 emails every month. So this is a recurring emails that we offer. 30 users you can have it on board. You can connect any number of platforms for each of your clients, and you will be having 300 SMS credits every month. And again, you can sync your own domain and email domains here. So yeah, I'm open for any question answers that you guys might have.
So you're ready to take question from the audience?
Yep.
Okay, let me go up the chat. Guys, I think once you give permission to Melon or whatever, sometimes you have to refresh your browser. I mean, sometimes it doesn't work, or maybe it got hang or something. So please refresh your browser and click that link so that we can see your name and also your photo. I mean, sometimes Facebook doesn't work very well, or it could be a Melon problem, or it could be a Facebook problem. So try your best. Okay, guys, I will project up the question so that this Sneha can answer them. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I do not know who is the guy who answered to question this one. Can you see the question, Sneha?
The best way to put the context into the system, automation with examples. Is that the question? Correct. So yeah, so you can use. Let me go back to the platform. So you can automate it using Zapier. There are a lot of integrations available. You can use Pabbly to automate it, and we already have a documentation for that in our documentation knowledge base. So you can go and use that. We do have open APIs as well. So you may use our API to integrate with your own platform if you want so, and send invitation or look for reviews. So we have created few templates in Zapier which you may utilize. So let's say you are using Acuity to schedule your own scheduling for your work. Once the scheduling or work is completed, you want to send a review request out. So you can do that with Acuity and grab your reviews and use this template to automate the process. So whenever in Acuity you have your scheduling completed, if you mark that as completed, it will automatically send the review request out from grab your reviews. So you can easily do that.
Okay, that's good. There's some automation by Zapier Is
Yeah,
it
we do have Pebbly as well. So I know a lot of users, LTD users, do use Pebbly, and
Mhm.
we have a documentation for Pebbly as well.
Okay? That's good. And this is from the email and SMS limit. I think it's shown in the due page in the AppSumo. No, just now it
Yeah,
was shown.
it's per month.
Okay, the next question is oh, they want to increase the I mean the tier. No? Is it possible?
Yeah, so we are working on getting an add-on for this. So that means you need to pay a recurring amount because we cannot sustain the platform without giving all the LTDs for unlimited locations. So what we are going to do is we are coming up with a plan where after 30 locations, say you are adding another 10 locations, it will be only $18 per location per month. And then as you grow the price gets reduced, so it goes from 18 to $14 as you grow the number of locations. The pricing is there in our website. You go under pricing, go to agency pricing, and click on view all features. You'll be able to see the number of seats. Let me show you quickly on this as well.
Is it the price is reducing?
Yeah, the price is reducing as you have more number of locations. And we are not going to overcharge AppSumo users or anyone with after our LTDs. So you have 30 locations at the price that you are getting right now. That's for lifetime, and anything additional, uh, it's like it starts from this same tier. Like 30 after 30, it will be 18 per seat up to 74 seats. If you cross 74, it will be 16, 15, and then 14. So it gets reducing as you grow your number of locations.
Snehal, I
Yeah.
mean, I'll do a rough calculation. If we know exactly how many seats we want, we actually can buy multiple full stack,
Yeah,
right?
you can. Yeah,
I
sure.
mean,
You can
that
buy
is
multiple.
cheaper.
Yeah, sure. You can
I
always
mean,
do that.
if the customer like I think Saravanan, if you know that you are going to use 50 or 100 seats or has businesses, you buy in advance, buy multiple maximum stacks, three
Yeah, and
stacks.
lot of already AppSumo users are doing that. So I do have few AppSumo users who has purchased 4, 5, so look at tier 3 low plans.
Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, next question will be this is by Latif Mia. He asks you expand on how the manual review works.
Okay. So Latif, manual review is mainly you add up a review in our platform so that it can be displayed on review widgets that we are going to use. Uh, so you may have a review manually received by email from your client and you want to add up somewhere. You cannot go and add it on Google. You cannot go and add on Facebook or anywhere else. So what you need to do is go and grab your reviews, add that review under my reviews section. Once you do that, you can show that review on your website using our widget so that you don't miss that good review and you need to showcase that, so we help you with that. That's how manual review works.
Okay, I understand. I don't know whether Latif may understand. If you still don't understand, just say so. Maybe we can show you again. Okay, this Vijaya Anand.
Yeah, so Vijayana, it will basically send in next day. You can still disable that feature by going into the same place. It's just that you don't want thousand of users invited on the single day receiving 1,000 email, and out of that 1,000, let's say 100 people go to Google and leave a review. Then Google will say suddenly what's happening to this? Where is the reviews raining from? So they might go and interrogate or look at your account, and we don't want to do that. We want to avoid that, and that is the reason we introduced this feature where you can disable this feature as well as you can have it enabled according to your needs. So you enable it and then have 100 invites per day. So if you upload 1,000, it will be completed in 10 days period.
Yeah, I mean, there is a flexibility, you know.
Yeah, you can always customize it.
Okay, let's go to the next question by Somder.
Okay. So Somdev, they can leave a review on multiple platform. So this is how the platform work. Let me show you just a second. Okay, so let's say I'm giving 5 star, going to Google. Once I go to Google, then you see that the platform ask the user that we'd also appreciate your review on Facebook, so I can go on Facebook and leave a review as well. So we try to make sure that user share their review on multiple platforms. You cannot share the review from our platform to Google as a review because no one allows that. It needs a logged in user to leave a review there, but you can share the review as a post under social sharing. You enable your Facebook and Google account. So, and then whenever a new review comes in our platform from Facebook, it will be shared in your Google as a Google business post that you got a good review from your Facebook users and the review text of that user. Hope I have cleared the answer.
Okay, so let me scroll up. Sorry, the thing keep jumping up. Okay, I don't know who is this guy. You know, Facebook user. Is it Bill or
No,
not Kenyan?
it's not a Korean script. It's a hard developed product by 6 developers when we started for a whole year. We tried to reach up and then we moved it to paid version. So it's not a Kate Canon script. You cannot find it.
Okay, how many staff member can a business have? I mean, you mean the team member, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, so we have 15 team members working on this platform product, and in a business have no. I think his question is more towards how many business staff members can use the QR code. Okay. So yeah, you can have any number of staff member QR codes created from the platform. There's no limitations over there. And QR code board tracking correct. Yeah, that's correct. So each one of them can get their own QR code to be tracked.
Okay, let me move to the next question. I think this is a simple answer. No, definitely yes.
Yeah, you're sure you can go to company settings. Each business will have this page. You can upload your logo and click on update, and it will display on that particular landing page.
Okay, so review gating. I mean, what do you mean by review gating? You know,
Yeah, we
you
do have that feature, and you have the choice on how you want that to behave. So as I mentioned under customization option review page, you may give option. You may want only 4 star and 5 star reviews to go to Google, but you have the choice as a business that everything goes to Google as well. Even if they click on 1 star, they still can go and leave a review on Google. So we do give a full freedom to the user to select how that page behave, if they want to use review getting feature or not.
I see. I at first I thought we have to pay to review.
So review getting is mainly when you only put some star users to Google, like you only send 4 star and 5 star to Google, and the rest to a private feedback. So that's actually a review getting.
Okay. So Jao is asking, have their own independent dashboard or is it completely white label?
Yeah, so they will, if you go to users and create a user under general settings, everyone have their own login credentials. And once you set up your domain name, then everything will be white label. They will only get a link where they can set the password on your own domain name rather than going to grab your reviews.
I mean that is good enough, as a white label at least. Good. Amit was asking,
Right. So Amit, they have to. We currently send daily, weekly, and monthly notifications. So on day-to-day basis, you'll be able to know how many new reviews that you have received. We are not sending an immediate notification about having a new review right now in our platform.
maybe can they do some automation using Publi or Zapier?
Yeah, they can, because we have an open API where that you can check, you can go and continuously check for the reviews. So you can always use Pably or Zapier or integrately in that matter to automate that process and check for new reviews.
Yeah,
But
I
we are
mean,
planning to have that feature in another couple of months. So you will have that feature coming up soon.
yeah, that should be ask. We should ask that question to Niraj, from Publi. Okay, so please do not count admin login as business leading. What does it mean? This question.
So what happens is whenever you set up an account, we basically have a process where you have to go and set up your own location first, and that is actually one location that is counted. So uh, this user is saying that you need to avoid that, and you know, as an agency, you always need one account for a demo, correct? So you can always use your own
Okay.
account to showcase your client that how the platform works. But yeah, we'll look into this and make sure that we can find a way around to avoid this.
Yeah, I see. Because some people are purely agency, they don't want to use it for their own.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can go to company settings here, go to general settings. Just a second. Uh, so there's an option that you can do that. Once you are onboarded, you just delete the profile. You just set up your own client profile and delete your own profile, and then you will have that space open for another user. Under company profiles, you just go and delete the profile of yourself, and you can still be accessing the platform, and you still have one more additional place and you
Okay,
other than your own system.
that is a workaround, no? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Just onboarding is required because we want users to understand that okay, these are the basic things that's necessary to use this platform.
So Taylor was asking whether they can do custom CSIs, customization.
So Taylor, no, what you can do is you can take our script and then add your CSS on your own platform. We don't have any option right now to add it on our platform and then use it on your website.
Okay. Okay, Snehal, let me share this in the Facebook, the link. Guys, I'm doing something different today because every time we do Facebook Live, we are difficulty to get names of the attendees. So I will put this link in the chat. Please click the link and answer 3 questions and put your name so that we can. I'm doing some automation to get the names of the attendees of this Facebook Live for us to choose the winner. So I'm just typing in. So can you see that link? Yeah, this is the link I've typed in. So that is a survey form, basically, 3 questions, your name, your email address, and your Facebook profile. Then it will automatically update the G Sheet, Google Sheet on my account. Then I'm trying this for the first time, So guys, please help me. Okay, let me go for the next question. Latif Mia, okay, GDPR compliance.
Yeah, so we are, Latif, we are not 100% GDPR compliance right now. So I'll just let you know that we are not compliant to GDPR for now.
But are you going to be compliant? That is a question.
We need to see in terms of legality because we are giving you a white label options to the agencies, and that's something that we need to take care of. That if we are becoming GDPR compliant, then there will be a lot of other rules that will be followed to the agencies as well.
Hmm. Okay.
I think Joe asked one more question. If we can take that quickly, like you mentioned, if you can embed real-time reviews on the website. So Joe, yeah, you can embed real-time reviews on the website. So once you use the code that we offer in the widget, all the new reviews that will be coming up in our platform will be displayed on your website as well.
Hmm.
Multiple tires for 3 to 1 account.
They want to
So
stack multiple tier three account into one account. Can they do that? I mean, for easy what
So
account.
yeah, I understand Italy, but currently I'm not sure we'll be able to do that. What you may do is you may raise a support ticket once you need that, and you need to activate all your three accounts. That's the first thing from Epson, and then we can see how we can do that. But you may send a request to our support team, and they'll be able to get that sorted in couple of days for you. I think yes, we can do that. But the only thing is you have to have all the three activated with the email addresses and then let the support team know the email addresses that you have activated with, and they will help you to make it easier for you to manage all the 3 or 4 plans, whatever you do.
Okay. I don't know whether have you answered that. Moderation or option before publishing.
Well, no. Once something is on Google, you cannot moderate that. It directly goes to Google. But we do have a choice on our platform where only positive reviews can be displayed on your website using the widget option that we have. That only 4 star and 5 star reviews will be displayed on your website. So that's what we can help you with. And if you are using a review gating or thumbs up and down in our platform, then surely it will basically only give you more positive reviews on your reviews rather than negative ones.
Okay, so I don't know who is this guy, but then can we add their own review? I mean, their
Interesting
local
question.
directory.
Interesting question. I missed this part, but yeah, you can surely do that. Uh, Once you go here, custom link,
Oh,
upload
okay, okay.
the name of the directory, URL of the review page, upload the logo of the directory and submit. So it will show up. The only thing is we will not be able to put the reviews on our platform.
This is interesting. Can we what I call detect spam or manipulation?
Correct. So Mabel, generally, as per my understanding and from this last 2 years on this platform, Google cannot track all the listings that are there on the platform. It's just that we are redirecting them to Google. We are not going on Google and doing something on behalf of them. So they cannot track it until and unless the activities are happening where you are getting hundreds of reviews every day, and that's what we have tried to avoid by in queue option under invited customers, so you can only invite particular number of reviews, and we avoid that kind of situation. So I don't see Google can track that activity.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, guys, those who have not clicked the link the link that I put up just now for the survey, please do so because I only have 11 names, or 12 names now. So if I don't see your name, I won't put you into the giveaway. Pravas Chandra.
Yeah, so we track that if there is any updates in the review, it will update in the feed as well.
How often do you? I mean, is there a time lag or what? Is it real time?
No, it's not real time because even Google don't show all your reviews, on Google listings sometimes. So what we do is we take data from Google and Facebook every 15 minutes or 30 minutes to get the data from there and make sure that everything is updated on our platform. So I don't. It will not be a major lack of time between review on Google and on our platform.
Okay. Okay. So Beulah asked, what is exactly external users?
So external users are mainly your clients whom you want to give the access to the dashboard. So you create the user for them, give them access to access their own profile, so they can go in and then manage their own profiles with your white labeled platform.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. How are you fetching the review? I'm scared if my Google My Business listing might be banned. Okay.
No, I don't think Google will ban any listing because we are fetching the reviews, or anyone is fetching the reviews, because Google do have a scrutinization process where they check they give the access to Google My Business profiles to only few users because it's a private access, and we do have that access where we can go and pull in the reviews on your behalf.
Okay. Okay. Let me project this link up. So guys, if you're present, in the Facebook group, please click this link. Then we can actually know who are actually attending. If you don't click this link and put in your name and your Facebook profile and or your email, sorry, I'm not going to put your name into the giveaway draw. Okay, let's go to the next question. I don't know this question. What is it all about?
So I think this is about Melamed.
I mean, if you want to watch best to watch it in the, of course, in the browser, So Facebook is always, mobile is always very limited, So, this one I couldn't help much. Okay, guys, I think we have answered all the question. If I have not projected any question, can you please type it again so that we can actually know, to show that, we can answer you again because we have another 5 more minutes before 1 hour is up. Any more question, guys? No more question?
I think two questions has just popped up. Taylor, I don't see Twitter as one of the review platform. Is it planned? So Twitter don't take reviews mainly. So that is the reason we don't have Twitter in the list. Twitter is a tweeting platform. And yeah, Joe, we will look into this, the demand of sumo links for an extra seats. And if they are good enough, then we may look at reducing the price if possible.
Okay. So, Somder, this is the last question. Can we use a submitted review on your platform? Will we be platform submit? What does it mean?
I didn't understand as well.
Of course, when they submitted the review, you can use that as a, because that is a permanent kind of a. I'm not sure. Maybe Somder, you can clarify your question. Okay. While any question that come in, we will project later. Let me go to my screen. Sneha, can you stop sharing your screen? Let me share my screen.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, TripAdvisor is available.
Okay, I need to go to these wheels of name. It's not there. It's not showing. Huh?
No.
Okay, let me stop sharing this one first. Okay, now I got it. But sometimes it's difficult, So, okay, I get 14 names actually. Let me try to put it the names here. I think this is Somder, if I'm not wrong. Okay, guys. So you got 15 names. So I'm not sure. Definitely we have more than that. So some of them you don't put your name there. Okay, let's sort it out. Fill out. You say you didn't see your name. Have you filled out the form? Can you please fill out the form? Please fill out the form. The form is there. So Somder become two. I don't know. No, Somder is there. It's not two. That is Saravanam. That is SAR. Sar. Amit, you say your name is not there. Have you filled out the form? Please check. Please fill out the form. If you don't fill out the form, how can I help you? Oh, Lider is the other name. Okay. So we have to cancel that, right? Okay. So Amit, please fill in the form or else I will just go ahead without you. Where is the link to the form? I have actually, let me, sometimes it's difficult to find the, hold on, let me check. So the link is in the chat now. It's okay. I give you the last chance to do that. Few minutes, or else we will start without you. Yes, this is a new process because we are trying out the automation because in the past we are doing manually. So we want to try to automate it. And we hope that you can actually do it, because if you don't do it, then sometimes it's difficult. Okay, so I don't have to waste time now. I just have to go to here. Hold on, let me check back at the back end. Okay, so let me counter check with the manual name. So sort it out and we'll minus off all the repeated name. Okay. Okay, guys. So these are the name. 20 people. We will spin 3 times, and each of you will get a tier one LTD from Snehal. Let's go. The first winner is coming. Jao Ortega. Lucky guys. Congratulations. Jao, are you there? Please type your name in the chat so that we can award this to you.
Congrats, Joe.
Jao Ortega from Philippines. Okay, he's here. Congratulations. Let's spin the second time. Shuffle again. Let's go. Vijaya. Vijaya Anand Krishnan Vasudevan. You have a very long name. I can never forget your name because you win so many prizes from our group. Vijay Anand Krishnan Vasudevan. Please type your name in the chat so that we can award this to you. Is that you? Why you go and say hi? You must say I am Vijay Anand. Okay, congratulations. So let me spin the last winner. Let's go. Rohit. How to spell this name? MHR. Is it a short form or what? Rohit.
Congrats, Rohit.
Congratulations. Please type your name again in the chat so that we can know that you are present. Okay, congratulations, Rohit. What is MHR? How to pronounce his name? Is it a short form or what? Can you explain in the chat? Okay, congratulations. So this is the result. No, Jao Ortega, Vijay Anand Krishnan Vasudevan, and Rohit. Okay, that is your short form. Okay, so please tell us your full name, so that next time we know you better. Okay, guys, I think we have actually come to the end of this session, and I will actually announce this in the tomorrow in the Facebook group, and to tell you how to claim the prizes. So please wait for the announcement before you start PM me on how to claim the prizes. So that we can actually have peace of mind for everybody. Okay, stay how.
Yep.
Your presentation is actually very well done, and also, I mean, quite what you say, very clear. Except that sometimes people come in late, so they didn't get the full picture, so they ask sometimes repeated question. Okay, so do you have anything to say to the audience? No, before we actually end.
No, so guys, we offer a trial, 7-day free trial. We don't ask for a credit cards over there. So even if you didn't purchase the AppSumo deal yet, go and try the platform out, and then have a thought about that of purchasing the deal.
Mhm.
Thanks for the
Okay.
participation.
That's good, you know. So for those who have not got the, I mean, the winner to be the winner tonight, you have another three more chances because you still can comment in the Facebook comment post, you know. But we want you to do a review, at least a review, to tell us, you know, maybe your answer, I mean, your question, you know, your what they call improvement that you want, or maybe your suggestion, you know, to Snehal, you know, so that Snehal know what is it expected of the customer. So please do a review. Don't type in, yeah, I want to win this prize, you know, this is fantastic. I can tell you, you will never get it because that doesn't help anybody. It doesn't help the founder. It doesn't help the members. No, you only help yourself, you know. So unless it's a random draw, you know. But if it's not a random draw, we are going to choose at least insightful comment, or maybe useful comment, or maybe the best comment to the best winner. You know? So please help yourself and help us so that we can award the prize to you easily. You know, because sometimes I have conducted so many Facebook Live and so many prizes to be won, and sometimes it's so easy to win, but then people just don't want to win. So please help yourself, okay, guys. If you do not know how to win, go and consult the few people who actually always win. As for example, it's Vijay Anand Krishnan Vasudevan. You can always ask him how to win. Okay, guys, that's all aside from the joke. And I would like to thank Snehal Patel, you know, the founder of this Grab Your Review. And hopefully he has a good run in this AppSumo. And you find that this is something that you're looking for. Don't wait for the LTD giveaway. Just buy it and use it. You have 60 days, you know, to try it out. You know? But before even you buy it, you actually can do a trial account, you know, so that you can convince yourself whether this is good. Okay, guys, that's all I have, and I would like to say thank you again for your presence, you know, and for your support, and also to Snehal, you know, you are a good guy, and I hope you get a lot of sales from this AppSumo.
Thanks, Albert. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.